kasing ganda ni Marian Rivera. Malay nyo, isa ako sa tinaya nyo sa karera. And my name is Liza.
De Castro?
Sigera!
Now let's move on to our question.
Ibig sabihin ako,
Sige lang.
naniniwala ako sa I thank you.
Let's move on to our question and answer portion. First candidate, Miss Guam. Miss Guam is very shy. Mukhang mabait. Miss Guam?
Yeah, compared to them.
Here's your question, Miss Guam. Kung sakasakaling nasa mall ka at nakita mong iyong kaaway at ikaw ay biglang sinampal, anong gagawin mo?
Just like what you said, I'm a very nice person. If someone slapped me on my face, I will do nothing. Because I do believe in saying, don't do to others what you don't want them to do unto you.
And what if sampalin ka ulit?
If that situation happened, I have to slap her back. Because I do believe it's better to give than to receive.
Thank you very much, Miss Guam. Miss India. Miss India, here's your question. If ignorance is bliss, then why do we have to study English?
Repeat.
If ignorance is a bliss, then why do we have to study English?
No English, my friend. English, what to do, my friend, what to do.
Thank you very much, Miss India. Let's go, Miss Brazil. Miss Brazil? Miss Brazil. Thank you. I stand corrected. Miss Brazil. What is the biggest thing you ever swallowed?
Dili singer nga dili ko kabaho bat-bat sa puno nga ilas. Apan mas maayo matamis paminahon ang puno nga naabtan ug nasabtan sa tanan. Sa amon mga ginikanan, sa katigulangan ug sa mga kagalaan, ang puno nga binisaya.
Miss Brazil? Miss Brazil, parang niloloko mo kami. Wala kami naiintindihan.
In English, the biggest thing that I ever swallowed is my pride.
Thank you very much, Brazil. And this is Miss Japan. Let's go, Miss Japan. From the land of the rising sun. Miss Japan, you're next. Miss Japan, here's your question. What do you think is the greatest mistake you did in your life?
Oh. Ghana? Yeah. That was a question. Well, pardon?
What do you think is the greatest mistake you did in your life?
Do not English me, I'm panic. Well, I don't have any mistake in my life as a major. It's only a minor. Like pork steak, beef steak, shrimp steak, wala steak.
Thank you very much, Miss Japan. Our last candidate, the Mukhang Palaban, is Marlboro Country.
Question?
Ano, masungit?
No.
Here's your question.
Where?
It's with me.
Okay.
If you were to choose between wealth and integrity, what would you choose and why? Do you know the meaning of integrity?
Yeah, I know. I'm the most intelligent. Yeah, candidate.
So what integrity is?
Integrity means moral excellence like trustworthy, loyalty, and duty.
Thank you very much. Matalino. May follow-up question. Isa pa tayong magtatanong.
You just said that you are the most intelligent among the candidates. Kung mamamatay ka bukas. Bakit di pa ngayon?
Mr. Host,
Aha.
hindi ako nagmamadali. Nagmamadali ka ba? Mauna ka.
Ay mo ba? Nagmamadali ka lang ako?
Excuse me, Mr. Host.
Aha.
Comedy ba? Joke.
Thank you so much. Magpapaulit pa po ang